In this video, we are going to talk about things men didn't know that women find attractive. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. When guys talk about what they find exceptionally appealing about a woman aside from her personality, the list usually includes a number of physical parts. However, when women explain what they find appealing about a man, it frequently boils down to body language, the way he moves, handles a glass, and even buttons his shirt. Can all be major, inexplicable turn-ons. Of course, a girl can appreciate a good pair of guns or a tall frame, but small gestures are more often than not what drives a woman insane. And what's even funnier is that the guy has no idea. He's doing something that's a turn-on because that's just how he is, which, of course, is part of what makes it so hot. Here's a list of the things men didn't know that women find attractive. Let's start. Romance is simple. Keep it coming. Whether you've been together for 2 months or 20 years, they'll always crave romance. Flowers, an intimate supper, and a few lines of love poetry, don't worry, they don't have to be your own, may sound cliché, but most women appreciate such modest romantic gestures and often express their gratitude after the lights go down, according to experts. Don't miss the moment. How do you tell whether they're ready to make a commitment? That's what they'll say. This is something that many women are very forthright about. They don't want to have the discussion all the time, though. If they are ready and have given you time, be ready to move up or step off the next time the subject arises. Look your partner in the eye. You may feel more at ease sitting next to one another, but many women prefer face contact, and we're not talking about the latest mobile video chat technology. According to popular belief, women prefer their men to make eye contact with them when conversing. Looking her in the eyes during sex will also help to strengthen the bond outside of the bedroom. Don't fear the relationship talk. It doesn't mean you've done something wrong if your woman wants to talk about the relationship. Well, not necessarily. Many women, it is said, enjoy discussing the state of the union, what's going well, what's not, or just what's going on. This is a positive development. A candid, wide-ranging discussion can draw the two of you closer together. Say it, again and again. Women appreciate it when they are complimented on their appearance, and they appreciate it much more when a man observes them without being told. When they're wearing a sultry new dress, for example, they'll give you significant brownie points if you compliment them on their appearance, especially if you do so before they do. Let them know if they are looking exceptionally attractive, if they have a new haircut, or if they are looking more fit. Mirroring is a barometer of love. Imitation is the highest form of flattery, as the adage goes. A lady frequently expresses her feelings about you by mirroring your moods and movements. They may order a meal that complements yours, dress in your favorite color, or smile or cross their arms in response to your actions. Mimicking is a means for them to put you at ease and show you that they are enchanted. Performance anxiety is shared. They feel horrible when you have a poor night and can't perform. They might be concerned that they can't turn you on anymore, and they'll want assurance that this isn't the case. They'll want to know what's going on and how you're dealing with it, especially if it's a persistent issue. People say, it's a sensitive subject for both of you, but talking about it is a bonus. Learn what they want in bed. Women prefer to talk about what happens in the bedroom with their partners, and they want to please their partners, so a gentle approach is frequently the best. Inquire about their preferences. Always ask for what you want in a positive and affirming manner. I would really love it if you fill in the blanks, psychologists recommend. Safe sex is a turn-on. This is something that both of you should work on, but women are said to appreciate it and feel more protected when the man expresses his worry and then demonstrates that he lives what he preaches. Women like the slow lane. Guys frequently seek the quickest route to sex. Many women, on the other hand, prefer the picturesque approach. Women desire sex, but they have it in a different way, say psychologists who have worked with hundreds of couples to improve their relationships. They want to be romanced, and they want to feel connected and understood. This entails taking your time, talking, and caressing, or in other words, foreplay. Date. No. 3 is not a bedroom key. The guideline of the 3 dates before sex is an urban legend. When it comes to inviting a possible mate into the bedroom, women don't impose a time limit. Some ladies prefer to go on a lot of dates before having sex. A decent rule of thumb is to wait at least 2 months for the relationship to mature before engaging in sexual activity. Nodding is not enough. They want to know that they are being heard as much as they want to listen. Nodding along isn't going to cut it. People claim that when she pauses, she's giving you a cue to reply compassionately and caringly. I'm sorry that work was such a drag for you today. They want to hear you say if they tell you they're angry because their supervisor gave them a hard time. Also, resist the desire to provide solutions. Don't try to fix their world. When people have a problem, they want your ear, not your advice. People believe that men feel the urge to repair things because they are solution-oriented, but that truly listening to a woman is a great, amazing thing that enhances the relationship. Don't hide your flaws. According to love guru Kirshner, nothing catches a woman's heart like a decent man who aspires to be a greater man. Women adore personal growth, and they adore a thoughtful and compassionate man. They appreciate it when their husbands realize a problem, such as a quick temper or a habitual gloomy attitude after work, and make an attempt to rectify it. Guy wears red, guy gets girl. This tip comes from psychologists' sophisticated testing of women's subconscious inclinations, not from women. According to one surprising study, red made men appear more strong, beautiful, and sexually desirable to women. However, there is a catch. Guys don't appear to be friendlier or kinder when they wear red. That is all up to you. Dress to impress. Styles come and go, but men's grooming and wardrobe should stay for a long time. From the first date to the honeymoon and beyond, it's crucial to women. People advise that you check out whether she likes a particular look. You wear tight jeans if she likes a guy in tight pants. Chivalry still has a place. Many women like males to play the typical macho role when it comes to romance. According to psychologist Diana Kirshner, PhD, who has written several books about love, this is especially true during the wooing period of a relationship. They're perfectly capable of pulling out their own chair or opening a door, but if you notice them pause, it's because they're waiting for you to step up and be the gentleman. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.